beta, here is the brain. It is the model of brain. Okay, so today we are discussing about the nervous system. We are discussing about, do you know, the chapter control and coordination. So let us discuss the today's control and coordination in plant. Completely discuss. First is the plant movements, tropic movement and nastic movement. Then plant hormones, auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. So we have completed the plant control and coordination. Today we are discuss about the nervous system of human beings. Okay, so main part of nervous system we are divided into three parts: CNS, PNS and ANS. What do you know about CNS? Central nervous system. Central nervous system consists by two parts: brain and spinal cord. So now today we discuss about the brain. Okay, so here this is the brain. Outer covering of brain है ना, you are know that. What is the outer covering of brain? Skull. क्या बोलेंगे? Skull. And then after the skull, our brain covered by the three layer. This is known as meninges. This is known as meninges. These meninges, first is dura mater, arachnoid and pia. Okay, so these meninges have a special type of liquid flow between them. Okay, what is the name of this liquid? Cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid are a special type of fluid which help to the brain protect from any jerk. कोई भी jerk अगर हो रहा है तो बेटा उससे ये protect करता है. Now, so let me discuss about. We are discussing about the skull, then meninges, and these are special type of structure that is known as this. Thus, like an up and down. These up and down. So up part is known as gyri. Up part is known as gyri, and the slow motion down part is known as sulci. So these up and down they are folded our brain. That is known as gyra and sulci. Okay, these gyra and sulci are give the shape of the brain. Okay, so now let me, after this discussion about the outer region of the brain, we divide into two parts of brain, three parts brain: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay, so forebrain is consist by mainly large area is known as cerebrum. Cerebrum is the body main a large part of brain which main thinking area, reasoning area and intelligence area. So what is the function of cerebrum? Thinking and intelligence. Okay, then another part is known as midbrain. Another part is midbrain. This midbrain have two part. What is the name of? Yes, optic lobe and cerebral peduncles. Optic lobes and cerebral peduncles. So the special work of optic lobes connect to the optic nerve of our eye. Optic nerve of our eye. You are also know that our eye connect to the brain by this nerve is known as optic nerve. So this optic lobe also help in the visibility of the person. Okay, clear? Then another part is known as hindbrain. Their connection also with three parts of hindbrain. What is the name of? Very good. Cerebellum, pons and medulla. What is the function of cerebellum? This is the cerebellum. This is the cerebellum. What is the cerebellum? Balancing area. When we take the different posture, you jump in one leg and the different yoga posture controlled by this cerebellum. This is a flower-like structure which are situated in back portion of the brain in hindbrain. Okay, that is known as cerebellum. That is known as cerebellum. So main function is balancing and maintaining the posture. Another, medulla. Medulla is the main involuntary region. Main involuntary region. Involuntary means cannot be controlled by brain, यानी do not work by our will. हमारी इच्छा पे काम नहीं करते. Just like a sneezing, क्या आपसे जब sometimes you are sneezing, they are taking to order by your brain? No. Yawning, yes, sneezing, yawning, coughing and blinking up your eyes, heartbeat, respiration, so many works. Our body govern ourselves. No requirement to the order of our brain. So that type of function controlled by this region is known as medulla. This region is known as medulla, controlled by the medulla. Clear now? Now next, medulla के बाद आता है pons. These are also the involuntary regions. They completely regulate the respiratory system. Okay, so these are the three parts of brain: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. And then last, brain are also connected by the spinal cord by the region is known as stem. What is the name of stem? Or this stem are also carry the long tube is known as spinal cord. So spinal cord create a special type of nerves, spinal nerves, and brain release the nerves is known as what type of nerves associated from the brain? Cranial nerves. So cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and visceral nerves. So three types of nerves are govern our whole control and coordination of our body. So these are the basic structures and some special work. What is the this region? What is the this region? Central sulcus. So our brain are separately two parts: left hemisphere and right hemisphere. This is the main two parts connected by the special type of structure. This is known as corpus callosum. This is known as corpus callosum. Here the center part is known as corpus callosum, which connect the two part of brain, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Both are separated and connected by the corpus callosum, and also transfer the signals by this corpus callosum. Okay now? Clear? So now let's. All of you understand now? Yes. So this is the structure and normal function of our brain. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.